Hi guys, and welcome back to Lazy May's Country Kitchen. We are doing breakfast today. We are going to use the rest of my half a pack of bacon that I used the other night on pizzas. And this is a good quick little recipe. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit y'all, but I did. That you can do for breakfast that is so good and so tasty. And there's quite a bit of few things that you can do to make it your own, like, using what you like for breakfast instead of bacon or whatever. Like I said, this is ends and pieces, and it's going to work fine for what we're doing today. But I'm going to put this in here in the pan, and I'm going to get it cooked, and as soon as I get it cooked, I will bring you back and show you what our next step is. But the ends and pieces bacon is a lot cheaper than, the regular thick slice or whatever, and you can save a lot of money by getting it whenever you're using it on recipes like I did in the pizza video and like we're doing in this one. So, save money where you can, and don't cut your flavor because it's still good. It tastes just like regular bacon. Alrighty, this is in here. You can hear it's frying, so here in just a few minutes, whenever I get all of this done, I will bring you back and we'll get started with the next part of this. Alrighty guys, as you can tell, I've got all of my bacon fried. Now I'm going to use this bacon grease. I'm going to pour a little bit of it out into my little container, and I wrap it and put it in the refrigerator, and I save it. And I use it for stuff like gravy if I'm not cooking any meat and I'm just having like gravy and biscuits for breakfast. I use it for that. So, let me wipe the bottom of this off just in case any come out or on the bottom. But as you can tell, it's just a little. Now, the next thing I'm going to do... Okay, I usually use tater tots. I usually cook them in the oven while I'm doing this whole process. But Mr. Lazy likes hash browns a lot better. So today I'm going to be doing hash browns in the pan. And so listen for this sizzle, because here it comes. Now you can use, just your taters. You peeled your taters and all of that, but I had these handy. It's Sunday morning, so, I'm going to do things a little easy. I done had my burner turned off because I don't like getting splashed with bacon grease. But all I'm going to do is get these, going, get these fried up, and I'm going to get all this done, and I'll be right back because I'm just waiting on my pan, and I'm sure y'all know how to do this part. You just get them good and tender and brown, and you can get them as brown as you want. And you can do this all in the oven together as a casserole, because this is what it's going to be: a bacon, tater, egg, and cheese casserole. But I like my bacon really crispy, and I like my taters really crispy. I just like a lot of texture in with mine. So I do mine separate so everything's good and crispy, and then I bring it all together at the end. So as soon as these gets done and everything, I'll bring you right back. And I want to show y'all another trick. Y'all seen I didn't really leave a lot of bacon grease in my pan. Well, all of that's coated on the taters as I was stirring it. So now my pan, hang on. Sorry guys, I forgot I didn't have a light on. Because it's a cloudy, overcast day here today, so that's the reason it ain't got a lot of sun coming in. But anyway, as you can tell, most of the grease and stuff is gone off of my pan. It's pretty dry. So since I've got the stuff seasoned, and pan spray is a little more healthier, they say, then I just spray a little in here. Move them over. Spray a little bit more here, and then I'll do the sides. And then that way, your pan's good and coated, and you still got flavor. So that's just something that I do to help save a little bit on the grease, but not the flavor. Anyway, I'm going to let these cook, and I'll bring you right back as soon as they get done. Alrighty guys, I'm going to show y'all another little trick since I'm going to be melting some taters. I don't have a big old lid big enough for this, but this works. It goes about halfway down and it stops. But I'm going to let them get really good and hot, the taters here, so that it will melt my cheese and stuff. So I'm going to leave this here for about 4 minutes or so, and I'll bring you right back. Alrighty guys, as you can tell, it should be good and warm. And here are the sizzle. And they've got some crispiness to them. So I'm going to take these out. I'm going to move y'all over and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Let me make sure I got y'all in shot of the plate. And yes, I do. But just take and put these over in your plate. And then you're going to add some just cheese of your choice. I got some shredded mild cheddar. That way it'll be sitting here melting and all that good stuff as I'm frying the eggs. But I'm just going to put a little shred of it around here and let it be melting. Then the next thing I'm going to do is cook me some good old eggs. Put it right on top of here. And then I'm going to add some bacon to the top of that. So while this is sitting here, let's get to cooking some eggs. I need to move y'all back around again. Alrighty. And you can take washes. My back is hurting pretty bad. So I'm going to be a little lazy. And just crack these right into the pan. Shoot, I cracked that in the wrong spot. See, I almost got a whole egg back. Well, I guess I might as well do one more. Alrighty, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. I'm going to stir these real quick. My burner's not on, no high heat or nothing yet, but you want to get them to moving so that they won't stick or turn really, really brown. But I'm going to put just a little bit more pepper on these. And I'm going to add just a couple of dashes of salt. Then we're going to get these moving around and get them out and put them on top of the cheese and the taters. And then crumble our bacon on here. And we're going to be done after that. But they're good and soft. They're not dried out or anything, and everything's good and cooked, and that's at the point that you got a goody egg. So, let's move y'all back again. Sorry about the movement. But the next thing I'm going to do is put these right on top. Just like under that. And that'll help melt that cheese too. And then I'm going to try to get the rest of the egg off of here. Put just a little bit of water in my pan so it'll be sitting over here getting done what it's doing. And you can add more cheese on top of this, but I think I got plenty on there. So the next thing I'm going to do is just crumble this bacon up and put it on top. And this is just so good because your bacon's good and crispy, your taters are good and crispy, and then you got the good old egg right in the middle. But that's all you got to do to this. And there you have some tater cheese and bacon breakfast food that's really good. Like I said, you can call it a casserole because if you put it all in one pan and done it, then and baked everything in the oven. But I'm telling you, this here was a lot quicker. It took less time. So that's all I'm going to do to this, and it's very, very good. And I'm going to leave a couple pieces of bacon whole so I can have me some good old fat back bacon. And I'm just going to put them right here on the side. Now, look at that. Don't that look like a yum yum? Get you some. But I'm saying yum yum, I gotta have me some. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna take this over to Mr. Lazy and we're gonna do a taste test and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, let's see what he says.
You got a problem.
What?
You left something out.
What?
We'll do it in another video.
Alrighty, but is it any good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you guys, it's really, really good when you do this. And like I said, I usually use tater tots, but Mr. Lazy prefers the hash browns or the taters. But guys, I gotta go sit down, so big old thumbs up for this one. It's a terrific breakfast, and it really don't take that long. But thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you, and we appreciate you. Bye!